Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to convert PDF to Microsoft Word. Sometimes, you may need to edit or extract text from a PDF document, and converting it to Word makes that process much easier. Let's get started. First, locate the PDF file you want to convert. It can be on your computer or cloud storage. As you can see, I have a PDF file in my desktop. Let's close it for now. I am going to open blank Microsoft Word. Here I am going to open the PDF file, which I just showed you. Go to File, click on Open Browse, select Desktop, and select the PDF file. And open it. Here you see a message: Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word documents. So, this is exactly what we need. Then click on OK. There it is. Now, the PDF file has been converted into editable Word document. Jan can edit it and save it as Word document. I hope you have learned something new today. Please don't forget to like, share, comment the video, and subscribe my channel, Unique Bundle. Thank you very much for watching.